My name is Starla. I'm a business coach, I'm an Etsy SEO expert, and I'm a manager at a pretty cool site called eRank that you might be familiar with if you've ever needed to perform keyword research. And recently, I asked the members of my Facebook group to share the worst Etsy SEO advice that they've ever received. Some of these tips are so bad that they could literally ruin your shop. So let's get into it. If you don't get any sales within X number of days, close your shop and open a new one. This is so insanely untrue that I don't even know where to start. Okay, first of all, there is no specific date when you need to make sales by. The truth is, success on Etsy takes time, and things like your photos, pricing, SEO, and even the season that you list items can all impact how quickly you grow. As for starting over with a new shop, this is like throwing the baby out with the bathwater. There's no benefit to starting over. In fact, I dare say that you're more at risk by starting from scratch because you have zero history with Etsy. Not to mention, new shops are at a way higher risk for suspensions. So yeah, I don't care how long your existing shop has been around, you can always revive it with a bit of work. Check your keywords daily. If they're not working, then change them immediately. Also, make sure you use trending tags even if it does not match the item. Okay, so even as a manager at eRank, even I don't analyze my keywords daily. There's just no reason to. Etsy SEO isn't like watching mold grow in a petri dish. It's more like watching a tree grow over time. The impact of your keywords is best gauged over longer periods, ideally in 4-month increments. So sitting around obsessing over your stats each day isn't really the best use of your time. The second part to this is literally contradicted by the name that defines it: relevancy. This is the part of Etsy's algorithm that decides how relevant your item is to the keywords and tags that you've used in your listing. So by using terms that are irrelevant, you're just miscategorizing your item, which won't lead you to the right customers. SEO isn't important. This one is especially funny coming from Pam Duthie because she works at eRank with me, so I can just see her rolling her eyes at this one. SEO isn't just important, it's everything. Unless you plan to funnel 100% of your traffic to Etsy yourself through avenues like social media, you absolutely have to optimize your listings for search. Otherwise, your store will basically exist out in the middle of a forest with no roads leading to it and no road signs directing people to find it. SEO is the road and the road signs that lead shoppers to your store and individual product listings. Anyone who says otherwise is Kraft macaroni and crazy. Never share your links because it will bring down your score in the algorithm. This sentence makes no sense. There is no score in... Okay. You know what? Let's backtrack a bit. My brain is actually malfunctioning from this one. The idea that a shop would be penalized for bringing traffic to Etsy, you know, the thing that makes Etsy money and helps them to grow, it's totally nonsensical, especially now that Etsy is encouraging their new Share and Save program, which rewards sellers for doing this exact thing. Sharing your Etsy shop link on social media and within your social bios is a good thing. Not only does encouraging external sales still help to boost your overall listing quality scores, but it also helps to generate overall brand awareness, thus helping you to funnel more of your own traffic and relying less on your Etsy SEO alone. Think of it like doubling your traffic sources. And just so we're clear, the overall conversion rate that you view in your Etsy stats has no impact on your shop or search ranking. What does have an impact is conversion from organic search on individual listings. For example, if I search for a gold necklace on Etsy and I click on your listing, then click off that listing, basically it tells Etsy that your listing was not what I was looking for during my natural search. And this can have a slight negative impact on that specific listing in correlation to that specific keyword. On the flip side, if I search for gold necklace on Etsy and click on your listing, then buy it, this sends positive signals to Etsy because the keywords you used in your listing, a gold necklace resulted in a sale of that gold necklace. This is one of the most common things that I see miscommunicated by Etsy coaches, influencers, and YouTubers. If you're watching this video before September 25th, it means that I'm currently in Riga, Latvia as a headliner of this year's Amplified event, the world's first and only online event for print-on-demand business owners. Normally, this online event costs $5, but if you use the code AMPStarla at checkout, you can bypass the checkout system in order to get free access to the stream on September 26th. Plus, you get access to Q&As and opportunities to win tons of prizes from big names like Wix, Adobe, Placeit, and I'll even be giving away 3 eRank expert plans valued at $360 each. To sign up with your 100% discount, you can head over to printify.com/amplified or click the link up here and down below. So exciting! Hopefully I see you guys there. Until next time, Pookie.